shuffle step. Shuffle step. We got a nice bend in our knee so that we can balance better on one leg, and also because Appalachian clogging involves a lot of knee bending every time you step. Nice bend in your knee. Then we're going to do something called a touch, where we flick our ankle, touch. We're going to smack, touch. Now sometimes I don't have the greatest technique and I can get lazy. You can modify by just moving and touching without the flick, but the flick makes it a little bit more exciting and elevates it. So touch, smack if you can. After that, we're doing something called a heel, or really a heel drop, where you're going to lift up and drop down on your heel to make a percussive sound. Up and then chunk. From the side, a heel drop looks like this. So shuffle, step, touch, heel we have so far. Shuffle, step, touch, heel, and we're going to cross, touch, heel, heel. And you can cross as much as comfortable, so it doesn't have to be really dramatic. If it's way over here, it might be hard to do it fast, might make you lose your balance, might be uncomfortable. So you don't have to dramatically cross, but just so that we can see that you're crossed. So shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel, touch, heel. On the left foot, well, or to you it might look like my right foot. Shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel, heel. Let's do 4 of them together. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel, shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel. From the side, ready, go. Shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel, shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel. To the back, ready, go. Let's try a little faster because it's pretty hard to balance on that one foot really slowly. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel, shuffle, step, touch, heel, heel. Yep, that's the touch step.